Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to pause automation in System.io quickly and easily. First, log into your System.io account. From the dashboard, click Automation in the top menu, then click Rules to view all of your automation rules. Locate the automation rule you want to pause. Click on the rule to open its settings. Look for the status option and change it from active to inactive. Or use the toggle switch if it's available in your account version. Save your changes. Once the rule is inactive, it will stop processing new contacts until you enable it again. Keep in mind that pausing an automation doesn't delete it, so all of your settings remain unchanged. Whenever you're ready to use it again, simply return to the automation rule and switch it back to active. Before leaving, double-check that the status has been updated successfully. That's it. You've successfully paused an automation in System.io. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more quick System.io tutorials, software guides, and online business tips.